Plain CSS forces you to repeat the parent selector on every single line. Sass nesting lets your style sheets structure mirror your HTMLs. Before we touch any code, here's the whole idea in a few facts. Nesting a selector inside another compiles to the exact same descendant selector you'd write by hand in CSS. It visually groups related styles together, matching the actual nested structure of your HTML. Overnesting, going more than 3 to 4 levels deep, produces increasingly specific, hard-to-override selectors. Opens the top-level rule for the whole navigation component. Nested inside .menu compiles to the descendant selector .menu ul. A normal declaration, now nested one level deep. Closes the nested ul rule. Compiles to .menu li another nested descendant selector. Nested to levels deep compiles to .menu lia. The actual style applied to the innermost, most specific element. Closes the nested a rule. Closes the nested li rule. Closes the top-level .menu rule. Here's the real difference. Nesting a selector inside another compiles to the same descendant selector as plain CSS. Nesting a selector inside another compiles to the same descendant selector as plain CSS. It groups related styles visually, matching your HTML's actual nested structure. Nesting more than 3 to 4 levels deep produces overly specific, hard-to-override selectors. Try nesting one of your own CSS rules that currently repeats a parent selector on every line. Thanks for learning with us. Come back soon.